Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include traction control, keyless entry, power windows, power outlet, pass-through rear seat, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.